Crownsville Hospital Memorial Park is a transformative master plan that reimagines the former Hospital for the Negro Insane of Maryland into a powerful landscape of healing, remembrance, and renewal. Once a place of segregation, neglect, and suffering, the site is being reborn as a sanctuary for mental wellness, cultural education, environmental restoration, and community connection. Rooted in deep research and shaped by inclusive engagement with historians, mental health professionals, descendants, and local residents, the plan ensures that voices once silenced are now centered. It honors the site's painful history while envisioning a more compassionate future, balancing acknowledgement with aspiration. This vision takes form through a series of interwoven spaces that support reflection and restoration. At the heart of the design is the Path of Reverence, a contemplative route connecting the historic hospital core to the cemetery where over 1,700 patients are buried, honoring those once forgotten and encouraging quiet remembrance. Spanning over 500 acres, the site's transformation also prioritizes ecological health. Sustainable strategies, such as reforestation, stream and habitat restoration, and integrated stormwater management, support environmental resilience and emotional well-being. A new trail network weaves through these restored landscapes, encouraging mindfulness, movement, and connection to nature. Crownsville's master plan sets a precedent for how landscapes can confront historical trauma while offering space for collective healing. More than a park, it is a living memorial where isolation gives way to belonging and suffering is met with hope. Congratulations to Design Collective.